Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. Cancers, we are picking these cards, guys, for your relationship and career situation. Cancers, I'll be picking cards from this deck. So one card for your relationship and one card for your career situation, guys. Cancers, so let's start with the cards for your general energies first. So we have King of Pentacles, World and Five of Cups. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, you are someone who is really confident, skilled, talented. You have a lot of experience, and whatever you step into, maybe in your work, whatever decisions you make it a success, and you are extremely confident, cheerful in your situation, guys. And people come to you for your support, guidance. They see you as someone really talented and skilled. And today, in your situation, guys, maybe there has been some kind of a past that is causing a lot of stress for you, making you really sad, and you're just wishing that things were different in your life, in your past, and you are regretting the things that you have lost. Maybe it may be that past love that is the reason for this feeling of loss or sadness, stress. Maybe this person has gone away from you. You loved them dearly. You wanted them to be in your life. You had hoped for a marriage or engagement, but this person has left you, and that is causing a lot of pain for you, and you are simply wishing and hoping that things were different in your life today, guys. And you have lost your that peace of mind, happiness, because of this loss, because of this person away from you, this separation. So this lost love or your past is causing a lot of pain for you, guys, Cancers, and you're simply dwelling in the past. Even now you're not aware of the present opportunities. So there are others, maybe someone else interested in you, they are coming towards you, but still this separation is killing you, is causing. So this may be your energy or their energy, guys, towards this love. So maybe they are simply crying, sad, feeling lost because of this separation from you, or this may be your energy. So you are not aware of what is happening in your present, and you're simply you have lost all your cheerfulness, happiness because of this lost love, and you're simply regretting the way things went in this connection, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Steady keeps falling. So it says to be fair. So in this relationship, in this connection, with this card, it just means that we must be we must have that mutual benefit in heart, in this connection, in this love. So how to be fair? Just like we want to tell things, make this other person understand our views and ideas. We must also listen to their views, ideas, and you must make that other person valued, feel valued and heard. That is what this card means. So that means mutual understanding, guys. That is to be fair. So if you want a beautiful connection, you must go for a mutual understanding. Listen to their ideas or their point of view, guys, Cancers. So maybe that may be the answer for you to resolve your situation in this relationship. So for your career, we have why. So this card just means that we must understand the motives we have in our career situation, the reason for us to achieve. So what is the reason we want to achieve certain things in our career situation, the ambitions that we have. So what is the motive, whether we want to save money for future, whether we want to acquire certain things for us. So whatever it is, we must identify what they are. Only then we'll be able to work positively towards those goals and dreams, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.